global problems and India's role. World witnessed two biggest world wars, First World War, Second World War. With the end of Second World War, the imperialism and colonialism ended. A new world order emerged along with the old world order. With the beginning of UNO, a new era of world order started. Still, numerous problems like human rights, arms race, economic inequality, apartheid, and terrorism have remained in the world. India, as a member of the world community, is striving its best to solve some these problems. Denial of human rights. Humanist, which means who are studying about human rights and struggling for the human rights, have advocated that every human being should get their rights. Unfortunately, human rights have not been honored in the long history of human civilization. In the name of caste, religion, race, gender, color of the skin, and nationalism, human rights have been denied to many people throughout the history. The American War of Independence in 1776, the French Revolution in 1789, the Russian Revolution in 1917, and the freedom struggles of India and other countries in the early part of 19th century provided more strength to human rights. Hence, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights is considered as a major event in the world history. The Human Rights Declaration, prepared by the experts, agreed upon by member countries, was adopted in the UN General Body meeting on December 10, 1948. The General Assembly has mandated the member countries to adopt and protect human rights in every country. In order to facilitate better implementation of human rights, the UNO has provided guidelines along with the Human Rights Declaration. The guidelines included 30 columns. For example, every individual has a right to live with freedom, dignity, and equality once he is born as an individual. It also calls for the eradication of slavery and gender based exploitation of women. India has been advocating Universal Declaration of Human Rights from the beginning. In the Constitution of India, from Article 12 to 35 of Part 3, fundamental rights are discussed. India has been advocating for better human rights implementation in all the meetings of UNO. UNO in its conference on human rights violation, which means breaking, in 1966 asked for the commitment on the part of member countries for the compulsory implementation of human rights. In order to monitor the human rights implementation process, it formed International Human Rights Commission. On the similar lines in India, National Commission for Human Rights, National Commission for Scheduled Caste, National Commission for Scheduled Tribes, National Women Commission, National Backward Classes Commission have been formed to monitor the implementation of human rights. At state level, similar state commissions can be found in Karnataka.